Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome. Kemcho, ¿cómo estás? Good morning, good evening, good day, good light, good whatever. And welcome to Solana update today. Yesterday we took the Solana signals as well, and recently, back in 13 December, we bought AR nearly $37, and now it's nearly $53. So it's like a 30% nice gain right there, and people are enjoying the signals that I've been giving them. We've been killing it for the past 4 days, guys. And yesterday, this was the signal that I gave Solana. We entered the $181.6, and now it's at 185. It went nearly the $188, and I talked about the inverse head and shoulders when I'm gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame here, so that I can show you this one much more clearly. And it seems like it got a little bit rejection at the this neckline right there. You see that neckline is very, very important for us to actually cross it, so that we can flip bullish as well. And one more beautiful thing that happened that I just noticed is, guys, we broke out of this large descending triangle right there. I know there's a lot of blue lines. I'm just gonna remove these ones very quickly. There. Let's just do some small cleanup, because this chart is looking ugly as hell right now, and I don't want that to happen. All right, here we are. Let's remove this drawing, that drawing. Let's remove that one as this one as well. We do not need this one right here. We don't need this one right now. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. Hell, man, we just need the descending triangle right now. I'm gonna remove this one as well. Guys, I never need really I really should pay attention to the cleaning part of this thing. Now, anyway, talking about this, it's amazing how we had this, descending broadening wedge, which you actually finally broke out of. And basically, I'm gonna redraw this like that, because it seems like this is how it behaved. And basically, there's more touches right now. That looks way more better than before, and it's like we're already breaking out of that descending broadening wedge after a very, very long time. So one positive sign. There's a lot of actually positivity to Solana as well. Okay, now in between here we can find Solana to go a little bit down. Now, yesterday when we entered nearly the 181, it went to $189 today, and it seems like there's a rejection right here. If I zoom in there at the neckline, of course. So what you want to see for Sol is you cross this neckline, back test the neckline, and then you go to that $209 or $8 that I've been giving yesterday, right? So this is still a technical target once you break the neckline. We really haven't broke the neckline, and that's the bad part about it. And now it's like we're still in a very small, tiny profit, but we do have strategy to win our trades. Even if it does go down, we don't care. If it does go up, we still win. If it comes down, we still win. So basically, that's the beauty of this Discord, guys. It's free for December. Welcome for the December, join me. And then from there, we're gonna actually be charging from Jan anyway, but that's a future thing. And right now, talking about the coin, I still believe this is your left shoulder, this is your head, this is your right shoulder, and it's doing everything it wants to do. Okay, so it could come just a little bit down again to the 181, touch the trend line, and then continue, and from here it just moves to the upside as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the side here. I'm gonna click this pattern thing right there, and I want to go to the head and shoulders. Now, zooming out of that pattern, I'm gonna show you this. So basically, how do you draw? Okay, so this is your left shoulder. See that? This is your head, this is your right shoulder, and the apex. I'm gonna show you when the apex is coming in. I'm just gonna click on that. So the apex is by 20 December, tomorrow. So let's see what it does. It could just stay here until tomorrow, and it could even pop to the downside as well, make a small retest, and this could be an extended right shoulder until 21 of December after 2 days. That's a possibility. That's actually a possibility. But to me, on the daily, it's looking amazing. On the 4-hour time frame, it's having that bullish pattern. We are breaking out of that large descending broadening wedge. So there are more positives right now, more than negatives for me. That's why we took this trade, and it seems like a very, very good, safe trade. And the setup, I just want to change a little bit of the color right there. Right, so this is gonna be decreasing the opacity right now. Right, yeah, that looks cool. That looks way more better. So thank you for watching this Solana video. We are still waiting for the breakout of this neckline right there, which I believe it's gonna do, because once again on the daily you also have like a bull flag. If you actually shift into the daily, you can already see that there's a small, it looks like a small bull flag right here. You went up like that, and then you made that bull flag which you break out of, and then technical target is still taking you nearly the $298 out of that bull flag. And then you also have the inverse head and shoulders. And right now, basically after a long time, after you made that big fake out right here and then you went down, there is a small breakout happening right there, and this could play out really amazingly, go up to $208, come back to $194, and then you continue to $314. The journey is there, the technical targets are there, and one day they're going to be met. Because remember the plan, I'm just going to reassure you every single time when we do these videos, is that when you take the fibs, this is confirmed on the fibs that there is a technical target of $314. Put it right there. We already have crossed the 170 region, 0.618. It is on a journey, wavy journey, to go to the $314, which is my price prediction. And by the way, I also have a price prediction of 708, and that's like for me the end of the bull run kind of prediction. It could go to $1,000. It's a nice good project. And I do want to talk today a little bit more about Solana as well, and I want to tell you why. Because when I zoom out here, I do think that Sol had passed through the Elliott wave theory, which is the first wave, second wave. This was your third wave, fourth wave. We're looking for that fifth wave to take us all the way to that place until we don't go for a big ABC correction. That's the plan from my side until next year. So let's see what it does, let's see what it happens, and it's looking good. It's a good, amazing project. Just ignore the FUD and people saying it's centralized and this and that. We are here for the setup, okay? Let's say even if it's centralized, the setup is looking to continue to the upside, by the way. So thank you for watching this one. Kindly like this video as well, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.